have to take
So today we're gonna film Carly's after school routine combined with nighttime routine because everybody keeps asking us to do a nighttime routine.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you what is in my backpack because everybody says, what's in your backpack when you get home from school? And I'm just like, okay, so I'm just gonna show you. Number one, my Chromebook. It's all my toys and stuff on it. My lunchbox. My blue folder. And I'll show you what's in it. My, what's it called again? Assignment sheet. My homework. And my also homework from yesterday, but I need an atlas to do it, so I can't right now. I have to do it tomorrow. And then my thing that I made with planets, it's the distance of how far the planets are from the Earth. I mean from the sun. Neptune's the farthest one down, and that's why I'm going to cut right here. You would think that Mercury would be the hottest planet. It's not. Venus
Really?
is.
Why?
I don't know. And I have Smile, my books that I'm reading. I read Sisters, and I need Drama. But Drama is the new one, so you can't get it at our library yet.
Oh, you got that from the library? Well,
Yeah,
if you
okay,
finish that, we can go buy the other one. So Carly's eating dinner, and she's getting a special privilege to sit over here because with Ken and I on Nutrisystem, everybody kind of eats at different times. Well, not always, but sometimes. But today she has dance earlier than usual. Wednesday's her earlier day. So now she's doing the dishwasher. Is this your favorite chore, Carly?
Really? Not my favorite chore.
Was this your favorite chore? Would you rather?
Yeah.
Would you rather cut the grass like your brothers?
Yeah. Is he doing that right now?
Nope, I think he's gonna do it
Today.
when he gets home from working out. I bet you he'll be super excited. Yeah, this is how Carly loves doing the dishwasher. Stack everything up so she can carry it 2 feet over on the counter. Smile, cause you love chores.
Okay, so continue of today is after school. I usually find something to do because I get bored, and I just looked and I saw this, and then I said maybe I should play with this and fix up the house because it's kind of ruined. So I'll show you that. Okay, so there's the house. It's kind of blurry, but there. Now I'm just going to fix it. I'm going to go behind so you can see. My mom's doing my clothes. Say hi, Mom.
I'm picking out the clothes for our photo shoot on Friday.
You're making chase for that blue shirt?
I don't know yet.
I can wear that. I rock
I'm just
that.
trying to put
Okay, so
together
I'm
outfits.
fixing this because I made it a bedroom, but now I'm going to change it back to the bathroom. And I need my little catalog thingy to tell me what to do. So my mom just left so I can have my quiet. I'm just like doing this because it's something to actually have fun with. Not just be sitting around playing with something that's already built. So you change your design. She's in the shower. And then I'll make another girl in the bathroom. Okay, so she's going to be going to the bathroom. It can be like a cool little, it's somebody's like thing, and she's washing her hands. Is that pretty nice? I want our pencils to be here. That's all I've been talking about this week, is these pencils that we got. They're caboodles. They're called caboodles, and they're pencils, and
They're
like,
lead pencils.
Yeah. Well, I'm explaining.
I know.
It's like a pencil, and it's a lead pencil, but it looks like a real pencil because it has the eraser, and then it has the bottom, and it looks like kind of the shaving, but not really because it's plastic. It's not like the same thing as the shavings. So then you just push the eraser, and that lead comes out. It's really cool. Okay, so right now it's a full moon. I'm going to show you. 5:37, and it's not very dark outside. We've got a full moon. I'm going to zoom in really close so you can maybe see the moon. It looks like a sun. Okay, I can't seem to stand still, so you can't really see it. I can't stand still. Mom, she's driving like a maniac. Okay, so we got this thing where that thing opens and that thing.
We got a thing where the thing does the thing and the thing.
Okay, so that one thing right there. So I don't know what that's called, but it opens, and then we got this sponge, and we cut a hole in it to put our camera in so you can see us while one of us is driving. So I'm going to dance right now, so we have to go. So bye.
Here's my little dancer. How was dance? I got you a treat. Did you get my text?
No, I was dancing.
Guess what else I got you?
What?
What did you ask me to get if I went to
Pencils.
Kroger? No, I didn't get the pencils.
Were you cereal?
Yeah, guess how many boxes I got?
5.
3. 3 boxes of Crave cereal because you said you wanted to eat it at night and in the morning. But I got you ice cream, so you probably don't need to eat it tonight, right?
I need it.
Alright, gotta go. So now Carly's doing her homework and eating her Crave cereal. She needs to hurry up. She's done with her homework. She needs to take care of her cereal bowl, and then what are you doing? What's left to do? Shower.
Feed Pips.
Brush your teeth.
I fixed everything up. I have my bathroom. I went to a bedroom, to a bathroom. It had a bed, but now the bed's gone. The living room. I just set this around for decoration. Hey. And so there's the burger, the fridge, the blender. Her bedroom's kind of messy. Here, I'll fix it. She can be standing in the bathroom. It's like a character in each room because there's a dog. And then you've got her room, the bathroom, nice and cool. There's a little toilet, living room with a nice TV, and the kitchen. So now my room is almost clean, so I'm gonna go get in the shower. Okay, so when I'm done on the shower, I get my pajamas on, then I put my towel. Then I kind of go like this.
You need to dry your hair more with a towel.
I know.
It's like soaking wet. So this is the kids' bathroom.
I don't take a shower in here, though.
Yeah, this is kind of like the boys' bathroom. She showers in our
purple,
bathroom.
though. That's my habit every day. Okay, so I usually say goodnight to Pipsqueak. I'm gonna let him bite me. See, Mom, look at him. He's gonna grab my hand. He's just like, give me that. Come here. Yeah, that's the thing that drives me crazy. It's hard for me to sleep because they go crazy at nighttime. Neutral or whatever it's called.
No, they're nocturnal.
Yeah, nocturnal. That's what it is.
He runs in his wheel all
Yeah,
night.
he runs in his wheel all night. And listen, this is the sound that it makes.
He-
That's all it does all night. Come on, Pipsqueak. Oh. And what he usually does before he gets active, he gets his sticks, because that's what makes him crazy. Oh, no. So I brush my hair with my wet brush, and see, this is what I don't enjoy. The first brush, but then everything else is fine. Okay, so I brush my hair with my wet brush. I say goodnight to my mom, I give her a kiss, whatever, and then I give Tori a kiss. Sometimes Pipsqueak, but sometimes not, because like halfway through the weekend she smells terrible. So, and I watch TV, read my book for about 20 minutes or 30, depends. Okay, so I think in my checklist. I'm reading my book, I'm plugging in my Chromebook, I have to go get my phone. Okay, and then I slide it in its own little space right here. plug it in. Done. Okay, so that was my night routine. Did my homework and everything that you saw me do before I go to bed. So be sure to subscribe to our channel. We post videos every day.